Can I now just ask the Romanian speakers, will they just ask a question of the Minister rather than, and I know we all want to put our thanks on record from our particular areas, but I think it's been well documented. So if we could have some questions straight to the Minister. Russell George.
Thank you, Deputy Presiding Officer. Minister, I'm going to raise a question which I've raised with you a number of times before, and that is about the management of Clywedog and Lake Vyrnwy reservoirs. And pictures show on social media and video footage great swathes of mid-Wales underwater, including B roads and truck roads, and properties partly underwater as well. Now, I have no doubt that even if those reservoirs were managed in a way that I would like to see them managed, and people in Mid-Wales want to see them managed, that we would still see significant disruption because of the sheer level of rain that fell in such a short period of time. But I also have no doubt that if those reservoirs were managed better, that we would see significantly less reduction. Because what we do see is for days on end, water tipping over the top of both reservoirs, and common sense tells you that you've lost the control of the reservoir when that is the case. We need a greater drawdown, I would suggest, of water during dry periods of weather on both reservoirs. I know you're aware of the Section 20 operating rules that I think urgently need to be reviewed. And I accept this isn't your responsibility alone, it's jointly between yourself, Natural Resources Wales, the Environment Agency and the water companies. I fully accept that. But can I ask you to lead on meetings with some urgency to get this operating rule reviewed and changed, and ask that you and your offices lead on that particular area?
I suppose the short answer is yes. I'll be very happy to look at that, and perhaps I can update the member in due course.
Every David.
I'd like to pay tribute to those communities most affected in my constituency, which is